Dear friends, always smile. Always smile. Life is already very hard. Life is tiring. Life is exhausting. Amen? Tapos sisimangot ka pa. Remember, what you do with your face, with your body, affects your mood. Why should you smile? Remember, your smile is your quickest prayer of gratitude to God. Kung hindi ka man makapagsalita, hindi ka man makapanalangin sa Diyos, your smile is enough. How can you smile? Paano ka makakangiti sa gitna ng mga hamon, bigat, problema ng buhay? Remember the meaning of smile. Spell smile, S-M-I-L-E. Ano pong ibig sabihin yan? Memorize this. See miracles in life every day. See miracles in life every day.